Hello and welcome to Coaster Painting Abstract Art. Today we will see how to create abstract painting on an MDF coaster. You can paint some uneven shapes of your choice. Mix white with different colors to create pastel shades. I'm going to paint a sort of a twig with some leaves with solid black paint. I will start painting the leaves first. Add some more leaves so you can compose the design of your choice over the painted shapes. Paint some more designs with solid black color. Repeat the pastel color and paint some more designs. I'm using the same orange color mixed with the white to paint the dots. Painting some more designs, use contrast colors over the pastel colors used to paint the shapes earlier. Paint some more patterns to balance out the composition. Adding final highlights with some white paint. Hey guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Watch the next video on how to make a decoupage art on coasters.